back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Ashley Dunmore, and I put out videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle on Tuesdays and Fridays. So if that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and click subscribe and turn on the bell, and you'll be notified whenever I put out new videos. For today's video, we're gonna be talking about the new Coach Tabby Pillow Bag. I was absolutely obsessed with Coach when I was in high school and going through college. And you know, once I graduated from college and I got a new job, I thought, I can start treating myself to more bags and more bags. And so I have been focused on getting Louis Vuitton bags and Prada bags and Saint Laurent bags. And you know, I've been sleeping on Coach. The quality has always been there, and all of my Coach bags that I've had over the years are still in great shape. So I have always loved Coach. Over the past year, we've seen the resurgence of many 90s and 2000s fashion trends, and handbags have been no exception. We've seen the baguette style that was made popular by the Fendi Baguette come back into style for 2021. I have been debating on adding a Coach Cassie to my collection for quite some time, as I've heard that it's very similar to my Louis Vuitton Pochette Matisse that I love so much, but I always end up choosing another bag. For this particular bag, the Coach Tabby Pillow Bag, I started seeing many different colors selling out, and I realized at this point, if I wanted to have her, I was going to have to act fast. And I knew it was fate when Saks Fifth Avenue sent me a 20% off coupon, so I was able to get the bag for $100 off of retail. Let me get her really quickly. Here she is. Here is the Coach Tabby Pillow Bag in Taffy. It's not too hot of a pink color, and it's not too light pink. It's like a medium pink. It's absolutely beautiful. And my first impressions are the leather is so soft. It feels really nice to the touch. I am a little bit concerned about it getting scratched, but we will have to see how she holds up. One of the things I love about this bag is the C logo is in the same color pink as the bag. So it's really got this monochromatic vibe going onto it that gives it a really modern edge. The pillow is super squishy, and that's why they call it the Coach Tabby Pillow Bag. It's very squishy. In fact, everything on this bag is squishy, from the flap to the actual body of the bag to this little Coach tag that's also very cushiony and pillowy. I like that the hardware is an antique brass color and it's not super shiny, so that should be very carefree. Let's open her up. So inside you have two main compartments, and then you have this one compartment in the middle that zips open, and you can see. Not sure how much this bag can fit, but we're gonna find out. I like that the closure is magnetic, and from what I can see, it's pretty easy. I have been absolutely obsessed with this season's bubblegum pink trend. However, I didn't want to buy a luxury handbag from one of the high-end designers and pay $1,000 to $2,000 on a bag in a color that I can't wear with everything. And so I selected this bag from Coach because the price point was under $500, and I know they make quality bags. So I was really excited to add this one to my collection. One of the things I love about this bag is that you have three options for how you can wear it. So the first option is you can wear it as an oversized clutch under your arm, or you've been given two different straps. There's this strap where the bag fits under your arm. This really gives me the late 90s, 2000s shoulder bag vibe. Or you've also been given a longer strap that is adjustable that you can wear the bag crossbody. Like so, and this bag has plenty of holes, so I know it can be adjustable for many different shapes and sizes of people. Okay, so now let's talk about what fits inside the bag. So right off the bat, I just want to mention that this bag does not have a back pocket for your phone. As you know, I'm pretty obsessed with bags that have back pockets for the phone. So when I open her up, let me show you what I was able to get in there. I was able to get in a mask, my vitamin case, a couple of liquid lipsticks, my phone. I have an iPhone 12 for reference. My Louis Vuitton 6-key holder. My Louis Vuitton key pouch. A pair of sunglasses and some Listerine strips. What I wasn't able to fit in the bag was my hand cream or my contact case. And if I really wanted to force this bag closed, I would have put the hand cream in there, but considering the structure of the bag and I'm concerned about it holding its shape, I'm not gonna push my luck. Overall, I love this bag and I think the price point is great at $495, coming in just under $500. It is a great value. Coach is known for making outstanding bags that are quality and that are gonna last you a really long time. And I also love the fact that this bag comes with not one, but 2 straps. I think this is a great bag for any handbag lover to add to their collection. Let me know what you think of this bag in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you here. Until the next time, see you soon, bye.